Hi there, Christian here and welcome to Luxcess Daily Market Overview. Wednesday will be quite busy, so watch out for all the news coming out today. The day will begin with a speech of Assistant Governor Christopher Kent from Reserve Bank of Australia. Kent usually has influence over the value of Australian dollar as responsible for RBA's economic analysis, research department and advisory for members. Traders take his public speeches as clues regarding to future monetary policy. His comments may trigger short-term positive or negative trend for Australian dollar. Reserve Bank of New Zealand will be deciding about interest rate. Traders should be aware of interest rate changes closely because of its high effects on the economy. Higher rate than expected is positive for the New Zealand dollar and lower than expected negative for New Zealand dollar. For European market it will be very important the speech of President of European Central Bank Mario Draghi. As a President of European Central Bank, he has more influence than any other person and volatility is often experienced during his speeches. His comments may cause short-term positive or negative trend. The Canadian dollar may be influenced by news about Canada trade balance. Positive number indicates that more goods and services were exported than imported, and that is of great importance because foreigners must buy the currency for nation's export. A higher than the expected should be seen as positive for the Canadian dollar and lower as negative for the Canadian dollar. Also in USA, trade balance news will be released. A higher than expected should be taken as positive for the currency and lower as negative. For dollar movement, the US crude oil inventories will also be important. It measures weekly change in the number of barrels of oil held in US firms. It can influence the price of petroleum products and can have an impact on inflation. If the increase in crude oil is less than expected, it implies greater demand and it's negative for crude prices. That would be all for today. I wish you an awesome day and let charts work for you. Follow Luxcess for more and stay tuned because there are some new things coming out. Choose the best, choose Luxcess. Bye bye.